Now in this forensic, let us solve another challenge with the name of mob psycho. So here is a APK file, and now this file is given. Now this is the APK file. Let us start to do our forensic right here. So since this is the APK file, the most interesting thing that we can do is, first of all, obviously see the file, if it is really the APK file or not. Okay, you can see the APK file is telling us that it is zip archived data. So that means it is zipped file. We can unzip it to see what it contains inside it. So first of all, let us start with the strings. Let us see if there is some interesting thing for us. Maybe we can also do something like grab with this grep command. Maybe if there contains some flag, something interesting to us, nothing, but you can also go one by one. These are all the Android, that is file, so Android related document. These are all the classes that you can see, resources and so on. Maybe you can go up and check if there is something that is related to flag. Maybe if there is something that give us a hint of the flag, but I guess there is nothing. And strings command can be useful in some instances, but if the file is very large, strings command does not work properly, because there is so many things that you can see here and it will take time. Obviously you can automate it using Python code, but now next thing that you can also do is, since this is the zip file, if you remember, if you do file, this is the zip file, you can directly unzip it in this same location. So whenever you unzip it, all the content will be inside this same folder. So let us unzip it. So everything has been unzipped inside here. See here, resources, these things, that is metadata, and everything has been unzipped here. I can also see the tree of it. So see here, so layout, related file, test file, and so on. Now another handy feature can be this find command. So find and give the name. So I'm searching for something that is related to flag, same as what we did with the strings. So I'm searching inside this zip file if there is something called as a flag hidden over it. So I'll just say, okay, there is something inside this res folder and color folder. There is something called as flag.txt. This is interesting and handy to us. Let us cat it. So let us cat to the same location, color flag.txt. Let us do enter. There is something that is obviously, see here. What do you think? Which type of encoding is this? Is it base 64? No, because this does not end with equal sign. Is it binary? No, it should be hexadecimal, because this is combination of characters and numbers. So you can go back inside this this same, and you can just paste it, the code. Let me copy it. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to control. You can also do left click and just press this Control copy selection, or Control Shift V to paste, and C for copy. So I'll just copy this, go to our cyber safe. Let me paste this in the input. And what type of encoding this is? This is from hex. So I'll just say from hex, and then you can clearly see this is our flag. This is the flag we got just by looking inside the content. Now this is the another important thing in forensic you can do. You can search the file, what is the content inside it, and there might be something that is encoded and you need to decode it and find the flag. I think you can also do something from here itself. So give the pipe operator and xxd pr. So this is also decoding you can do directly from this terminal. So you need to understand what type of decoding it is, and you need to just remember this command in order to decode it. If you do not just have this encouragement to just learn this command, then obviously you can use cyber safe all the time, because this is the most useful tool and I use this all the time instead of just remembering this command. There might be some, maybe this hex is what I remember because this is what we normally typically have in the encoding, but base 64 command is not, I do not remember it by heart. You need to basically go online and check it, but if you want something that is everything in a single place, then this is the tool cybersafe, which is the exciting and interesting tool.